So this is our kitchen. So, and look around. And today, we're gonna make some egg and some toast. And we're gonna use ketchup in the process.
Oh, okay.
If you want to, you can add lettuce.
Lettuce too?
If you want it.
Okay, do you like lettuce though?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's make
So-
it with lettuce.
If you don't want to, you don't have to.
Okay.
So first we'll get the ingredients. So first we'll take some bread, the toast. Okay? Put that there. We want some egg. Yes, we need the egg. And we have ketchup right here. Yeah. Let me close it. We'll also get a plate later. I think I'll just get the plate. Okay, this is my pan. My mom is gonna help me just putting the heat on. So first we will want to make the toast. We'll just make the toast first. We're gonna get the toast out. So we're gonna put this inside the toaster. But first, I just put it inside. You can do the toaster. You can turn on the toaster first if you want to. And then you will, if you want it crunchy, you can do, like, I like it crunchy, so I'm doing this. Or if you have a different kind of toaster, you can do any time you want.
Okay.
So, let's put this down so it's going. So, now we are gonna put the eggs maybe. We need a bowl for this. So choose the egg you want to choose.
Mm-hmm.
You can do, if it's any, you can do any color egg if you want to.
Do you have a red egg?
No, I have this white one.
Okay.
Sometimes there's red one.
Have you ever seen a blue egg?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Did you?
No.
Mama, then why
I've seen
is
only
that?
two. One is this color, the other ones are
It's like-
golden eggs.
Like brown kind
The
of.
brown kind, yes.
So let's crack it open. If you want to do it here or here, I like doing it on the ground. Oh man. So we are gonna take that out.
Wow, that was
inside.
perfect.
I'll just need to put this in the garbage. You can see how the egg is. So I'm adding salt first. Not too much. You can see like a little on here. I don't like too much pepper. Let's add a little more salt. Okay, now we're gonna get, if you have this, you might, ow, that hurt. Mommy just put that first. Don't do that. So if you have this at your home, you should use this to make it. It's hard to cook an egg, but I don't know if you know how to cook an egg, if your mom did or dad. You want to add a little bit. So you want to mix it up. Or you can just do this. This is better. Makes it more yellow. It's not enough. This takes a long time. It takes like one to 2 minutes to just mix this up. So we have this kind of oil. You would want to put oil first on your pan. Egg inside. It sounds a little weird sometimes. You want a little, spread it out a little bit. Try to not burn your hand. But if you're a little kid, if you don't know how to cook too much, you can ask an adult to help you. My adult,
It's standing beside me.
yeah. But she is watching me do this, so yeah. So now, let's see. Wait, I want to do it here.
First we check.
Check a little bit. Looks good. It doesn't really, it's gonna cook for a little longer. Come on.
I think it's good.
Okay, now it's good. Let's loosen the sides a little bit so it's more easier. So now we can do that. I did this a few times, so it's a little easy to me.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Have it yet.
Yeah, but you're gonna have it.
Yeah, I'm just practicing for my first one.
Okay.
And make sure I'm just a minute younger. Just a minute.
I'm just saying, no, it's not good yet. While we wait for this, we're gonna
Get the breads out.
our breads.
Are almost boiled.
Yeah, but it's still crunchy.
Okay.
I like it like. So we'll put that on the side.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be ready
Mm-hmm.
now.
It's ready.
You think?
Usually from inside it's always white.
And we can keep that here. Okay, we're done with all the cooking. So, is that how it looks so far? Do you want to put the sauce first or the lettuce first?
I think we should put some lettuce.
Yeah. So if you can skip this part if you don't like lettuce.
Yeah.
We'll put this on.
Okay.
I only tried this one time.
Okay, now it's starting.
I folded it. Oops. Oopsie daisies. There we go. And there we go. So we'll fold it like that and put it inside. Okay. Then we'll add our lettuce. Or should we add our sauce? Let's do
I
our
think sauce. Bus.
Little G or little. Now we add the little lettuce leaves. Sprinkle, sprinkle. We're just adding and adding. Now we're done. This is a big one.
And our egg sandwich is ready.
Yeah. We usually call it egg bread and sauce,
Yeah.
but if you want, you can call it anything you want.
Make sure that it has egg in between.
Yeah. Or if you don't want to, you don't have to.
Just toast and eat it.
So,
Are you going to enjoy it?
yeah. Now we add the sauce.
How is it?
Good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
I like the crunch. Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel.
Okay.